Question number 19, miscellaneous exercise 3. Solve the following equation. First part, 1 upon x minus 1 upon x minus 2 equals to 3. Solution. We first take LCM of these number denominator. We have x into x minus 2. If we divide x minus 2 by x, we have x minus 2, and x minus 2 multiplied by 1, x minus 2, minus again x into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, we have x multiplied by 1, we have x equals to 3. X minus 2 minus x upon x minus 2 equals to 3. Plus x minus x cancel out. Minus 2 upon x into x minus 2 equals to 3. Minus 2 as it is, if we multiply x square minus 2x equals to 3. On cross multiply. This number multiplied by 3, we have minus 2, 3 into x square minus 2x. We solve minus 2 as it is, 3x square minus 6x, and write in equation form 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equals to 0. If we comparing quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have a equals to 3 and b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 2. We find roots by quadratic formula. So we write formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We put the value of a, b, c in this formula. Minus b is minus 6, we write here minus 6 plus minus under root of b square minus 6 whole square minus 4, a is 3 and c is 2, and 2a, a is 3. Minus into minus plus, plus minus under root of minus 3 whole square 36, 4 is a 12, 12 2 is a 24 upon 6. 6 plus minus, if we minus, we have 12 upon 6. Again 6 plus minus, we write in form of 4 into 3. We know that square root of 4 is 2. So we write in form of 2 into root 3. If we take 2 common from numerator, 3 plus minus root 3 upon 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. we get x equals to 3 plus minus root 3 upon 3. First root of equation is taking positive sign. We get x equals to 3 plus root 3 upon 3, and second root 3 minus root 3 upon 3 taking negative sign. So roots of given equation is 3 plus root 3 upon 3 and x equals to 3 minus root 3 upon 3. Solution of this equation. Question 19, second part. 1 upon x minus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 5 equals to 6 upon 7. We do not use x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 5 here. We first take LCM. LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 5. If we divide x minus 1 into x plus 5 by x minus 1, we have x plus 5. We multiply by x plus 5 by 1, x plus 5 minus again x minus 1 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. We have x minus 1. We multiply by 1, x minus 1 equals to 6 upon 7. X plus 5 minus x plus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 5 equals to 6 by 7. Plus x and minus x cancel out. 5 plus 1, 6. X minus 1 into x plus 5 equals to 6 upon 7. On cross multiply, we have 6 into 7 equals to 6 into x minus 1 into x plus 5. Six and 6 cancel out. We have 7 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 5. If we multiply, we have x square plus 4x minus 5. We write in the standard form of quadratic equation x square plus 4x on transposition minus 5 minus 7 equals to 0. X square plus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. On comparing standard equation of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have a equals to 1 and b equals to 4 and c equals to minus 12. We use quadratic formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put value of ABC in formula. We have minus b. B is 4. We write here 4 plus minus 4 whole square. For a is 1 and c is minus 12 upon 2a, or a is 1. Minus 4 plus minus square of 4 is 16, minus minus plus 12 4 is 48 upon 2. Minus 4 plus minus 16 plus 45, 48. 16 plus 48 is 64 upon 2. We know that square root of 64 is 8. Taking positive sign, we have x equals to minus 4 plus 8 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 2, x equals to 2, first root. Taking negative sign, we get x equals to minus 4 minus 8 upon 2. Minus 4 minus 8 is 12 divided by 2 minus 6. X equals to minus 6. So roots of question number 19, third part, we rewrite x upon 1 minus 1 upon x equals to 3. If we take LCM of denominator, we have x. X divided by 1 x and x multiplied by x is x square minus x divided by x 1 and multiplied by 1 1. On cross multiply, we have x square minus 1 equals to 3x. X square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. On comparing standard equation, quadratic equation, we have a equals to 1 and b equals to minus 3 and c equals to minus 1. We write quadratic formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We replace abc in formula. We have b is minus 3. We write here minus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 whole square 4a. A is 1 and c is minus 1 upon 2a. A is 1. Minus into minus plus minus under root 9 minus into minus plus 4 upon 2. 3 plus minus 9 plus 4 13 upon 2. Taking positive sign, we have first root x equals to 3 plus under root 13 upon 2, and taking negative sign, x equals to 3 minus root 13, we get second roots of given quadratic equation. Fourth part of 19th question, we take LCM of denominator x plus 4 and x minus 7. X plus 4 into x minus 7 divided by x plus 4, we have x minus 7 minus x plus 4 x minus 7 divided by x minus 7, we have x plus 4 and x plus 4 multiplied by 1, we have x plus 4. equals to 11 upon 30. X minus 7 minus x minus 4 x plus 4 x minus 7 equals to 11 upon 30. Plus x and minus x cancel out. We get minus 11 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 equals to 11 upon 30. If we multiply, we have x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 11 upon 30. On cross multiply, we have minus 11 into 30 equals to 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28. 11 and 11 cancel out. We have minus 30 equals to x square minus 3x minus 28. Write standard form of quadratic equation: x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equals to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. We comparing standard quadratic equation. We have a equals to 1 and b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 2. We use quadratic formula: x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We put the value of ABC in given formula. We have minus b minus 3 plus minus under root b square, it means minus 3 whole square. 4a is 1 and c is 2. 2a, a is 1. Minus into minus plus, plus minus under root of 9 minus 8, 4 to the 8, and 3 plus minus under root 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Taking positive sign, we have x equals to 3 plus 1 upon 2 equals to x equals to 4 upon 2 and x equals to 2. Taking negative sign, here x equals to 3 minus 1 upon 2. 3 minus 1 2 and 2 upon 2 is 1. So roots of quadratic equation are 2 and 1. Required answer of given equation. Question number 20. If minus 5 is one root of quadratic equation 2x square plus bx minus 15 equals to 0, and roots of quadratic equation p times of x square plus x plus k equals to 0 is equal, then find the value of k. Here two conditions are given. First condition first, -5 is root of given equation. We know that roots of equation always satisfy given equation. So we put x equals to -5 in given quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 equals to 0. We put -5, p times of -5 minus 15 equals to 0. -5 square is 25, 25 to the 50, minus 5 times of p, 15 equals to 0. 50 and minus 15, 35 minus 5p equals to 0. 5p equals to 35. We have p equals to 35 divided by 5, 7. Condition second, roots of quadratic equation is equal. Condition second, roots are equal of this quadratic equation. P times of x square plus x, x square plus x plus k equals to 0. We put value of p from here. We have 7 into x square plus x plus k equals to 0. 7x square plus 7x plus k equals to 0. Here given roots are equal, so condition of roots are equal, d equals to 0, discriminant equals to 0. D is given by b square minus 4ac equals to 0. On comparing standard equation of quadratic equation, ax square bx plus c equals to 0, we get a equals to 7 and b equals to also 7 and c equals to k. We put value of ABC, B 7 square, 4, A is 7 and C is K equals to 0. On transposition, 7 square equals to 4 into 7 into K. K equals to 7 into 7 upon 4 into 7. 7 से 7 cancel out. We get value of k is 7 by 4, our answer.